and welcome. On today's video, we're going to be unboxing our Bolzano subscription. You guys, this is a subscription that I really enjoy. You guys know that. So anyways, guys, before we jump into the video, if you are new here, hi, hello, and welcome. My name's Rhonda, and over here, we always embrace the hot mess because it's a judgment-free, drama-free, stress-free zone where we keep it cute or we put it on mute. Anyways, guys, let's go ahead and jump into the unboxing of our Bolzano subscription. They sent this over to me and I wanted to unbox it for you guys. And this is a personalized handbag and accessory membership. You get over $350 worth of value for $43.95. Now they do have different tiers as far as that goes. You can get a handbag and accessory for $33.95 as well. And of course, I'll leave a link down below. I don't know if my coupon code is still good or available, but if it is, I'll have it down below for you guys as well. So this, like I said, this is a subscription that I really enjoy, and it really helped to grow not only mine, but my mom's purse collection. Actually, my stepmom's too. So I love this because it's an affordable way to get really cute bags. So as always, you get a purse. Now, before I open this up, it does come in like a dust bag. You will take a quiz when you sign up for Bolzano. And in that profile, you talk about all the different types of styles of bags, the color of bags, the size, everything you want them to know is in that quiz. So when they make the choice for your purse, and it goes off the profile, you receive it, and 9 times out of 10, it's always what you are comfortable with. If by chance, for some reason, you don't feel like they went off of your profile or whatever it may be, they are good about exchanges or returns as well. And like I said, I'll leave the Bolzano link down below for you guys, so you can, you know, do a little bit more research and all of that. So anyways, it always comes like this. Cute little bow on here, and this is what the purse looks like. Very cute, definitely my color, perfect for the fall. I think I actually have this in like a more of like a coffee, not coffee, like, okay, my type of coffee, you know, the kind where it's like a ton of creamer and then a splash of coffee, like that shade. I'm pretty sure I have one in that, like this style in that shade. But this is a shade I love, this nice perfect mustardy type of fall. And I love the fact that, you know, you can keep it close, it's not dangling down too low. It does have zipper accents, and this is another thing, mine is silver on this mustard bag, but in that profile you can tell them if you're not into like gold accents or silver accents, whatever it may be. So this is what it looks like, and again, like I said, it's like a vegan leather, and you can tell the bottom of the bag is definitely thicker as far as that goes. I like when they have the kinds that have the little pegs on here. I've had those in the past by Bolzano, and I really like that. So when you set it down, the leather doesn't actually, or not the leather, the, you know what I'm saying, the purse doesn't hit the table, the pegs do, you know, do. So that's kind of like a unfortunate part, but I just ordered some of those purse clips off of Amazon. I'll link it down below. Not that I really go out or anything like that, but when we used to go to a restaurant and things like that, I am not the type of person that's super comfortable with putting my purse on the back of my chair, and I don't like to put it right on the table because, like, I'm a germaphobe. But I've seen these clips. I got like a pack of 3 of them for $10.99 on Amazon, where you can put the clip to the table and then it has a hook and it just hangs your purse there, because it's not real comfortable to sit your purse in your lap, and that's typically what I do. So anywho, I digress. So this is what it looks like. We do have a zipper component or compartment over here, and this is an actual compartment, so you can put like keys in here or spare change, whatever it may be. I do like the fact that this does have a zipper here for the opening versus like not having a zipper and then you drop your purse or something and everything falls out. Yeah, kind of dealing with that right now with the purse I'm using. So inside we have a longer strap attached to the purse, so that's nice. Ooh, and we've got accessories in here. We love that. Okay, so inside of the purse on the side, we have some pockets as well. The purse is lined, and you can see we've got some pockets right in through here where you can store like pencils, It's or like your cell phone might fit in there. On the other side is actually a zipper compartment with a little pocket. So that's very, very nice. So you definitely get some storage. Okay, so then we have a little pouch that was inside here with accessories in there. How cute is that? It's a little Ziploc-y bag. Oh my goodness. That's cute. Okay, so the first item or accessory I see in here is the Revlon Travel Collection exclusive Love Series Essentials. It has, it looks like a lipstick and eyeliner and a mascara. That's pretty nice. Let's open that up. Oh wow, okay, so you get a nice little travel size bag like it says. Little zipper, and then you've got, oh my gosh, you've got everything wrapped into here. Oh, these are full-size products, guys. Oh my gosh, these are full size. So we have a full size Revlon mascara, a full size Balm Stain. Let's get the color. Ooh, she pretty. I like that. It's a really pretty soft mauve. Definitely something right up my alley. And then a full size Revlon Color Stay eyeliner. That is awesome. Love that. And then it fits perfectly right into a little bias. We're not done, there's more. Now there is a card inside of here and it tells you a little bit about the bag, the other color options that are in here. This month we've chosen our Antoinella, I think is how you say it, especially for you. It's constructed from the PETA certified vegan leather and has a retail value of $185. It is part of our latest collection. It comes in black, green, mustard, orange. And what we love about the bag, it's got a comfortable shoulder strap, a top zipper, exterior quick access pocket, an inside zipper, and a structured shape. So really nice, like that. Retail value, like I said, $185. Now we also got a little bag in here with some of the Bolzano jewelry, which is really cute as well. The first thing I see here is a cute little necklace with little like charms on there. It looks like it's one of those really nice layered long ones. Oh no, yeah. It's like a layered long one in silver. That's really pretty. And again, this is another thing that in your profile you can put, like if you're comfortable with gold, rose gold, silver, or it doesn't matter to you. The next thing in here is like a fashion bracelet. Feels like almost like a rubbery feel to it with a little accent here. Really cute. And then we have a pair of matching stud earrings to go with this necklace. And that is everything, guys. Now I believe this is maybe the $43 one. Let me double check. No, actually this is the $33.95 one, I do believe. I think that this is the $33.95, and then there's a luxe version where you may get a little bit more of the items. So anyways, guys, let me know y'all's thoughts down below. Did you feel like this is worth the $33 and change? And like I said, if I have a coupon code that's available, I will leave it down below for you guys. I'm always excited to get Bolzano purses in the mail to unbag and unbox for you guys. So thank you, Bolzano, for sending this my way. Like I said, this has grown my mom, my stepmom, and mine, my purse collection. Like, we're all loving the Bolzano. And my mom uses hers on the daily. Like, I'll use mine to like match an outfit or something. My mom uses hers all the time and it's held up very, very well. So anyways, guys, let me know down below your thoughts on there. Did you enjoy the beautiful fall color? I just think this mustard is so gorgeous. So anyways, guys, that's all for today's video. Don't forget there's a giveaway going on until November 9th on our channel. It's the big 30K giveaway. There is a link to the video down below. Don't forget to follow me over on Instagram. There will be a giveaway going up very soon over there, because you know your girl's working to get that 10K swipey uppy. So help me out, please. It's free. And you know, follow me and subscribe over here, because why not? I am always posting content over here for you guys, sometimes 7, 8, 9 times a week. Yeah, I know. And if you get a little tired of beauty related content, don't worry, y'all. I have Rhonda Rambles in her PJs on my vlog channel, Hot Mess Mama Vlogs, where I'm uploading over there at least Tuesdays and Thursdays at 9 p.m. So I'm everywhere. Join me. We're crazy. We enjoy it. We embrace it. Anyways, friends, until next time, as always, I hope you have a wonderful, beautiful, and blessed day. Kisses from Kentucky. Mwah! Bye, guys.